In this video, I am going to guide you on how to add multiple stops in your 13 cabs app ride. Adding multiple stops saves time, adds convenience, and makes your journey more flexible. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the 13 cabs app on your smartphone and log into your account. 2. Tap on the Book a Ride or Where to section on the main screen. 3. Enter your pickup location in the starting point field. 4. Tap on the destination field to enter your final drop-off address. 5. Look for the plus add stop option below the destination and tap on it. 6. Enter the address of your additional stop and repeat this step to add more stops if needed. 7. Rearrange the stops by dragging them into the preferred order if necessary. 8. Once all stops are added, confirm the right details and tap Book Now to proceed. Adding multiple stops helps you manage errands or pick up efficiently in a single trip. Make sure all stops locations are correct before confirming your booking.